Let's get straight into it. Yuzu is one of the most powerful citrus fruits you probably aren't using enough. It looks like a small, rough lemon, but its health benefits go far beyond typical citrus. First, yuzu is loaded with vitamin C, often even higher than lemons. That means strong immune support. Regular intake can help your body fight off colds, reduce the duration of sickness, and support faster recovery. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin C is also critical for collagen production, which directly affects your skin. So if you're aiming for smoother, firmer-looking skin, yuzu quietly delivers from the inside out. Now here's where yuzu separates itself from other citrus fruits. Its antioxidant profile. Yuzu contains powerful compounds like flavonoids and limonoids. These help combat oxidative stress in your body, basically reducing cellular damage caused by free radicals. Over time, that translates to better long-term health, including support for heart health and reduced inflammation. Speaking of inflammation, yuzu has natural anti-inflammatory properties. If you deal with joint stiffness, muscle soreness, or general inflammation, incorporating yuzu into your diet can help your body stay balanced. It's not a magic cure, but it's a strong natural ally. Let's talk circulation. Yuzu has been linked to improved blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients delivered throughout your body. That can support cardiovascular health, help regulate blood pressure, and even improve energy levels because your body is working more efficiently. Another underrated benefit: stress reduction. Yuzu peel, in particular, contains aromatic compounds that have been studied for their calming effects. In places like Japan, yuzu baths are used for relaxation, especially during colder months. The scent alone can help lower tension and improve mood. So even just smelling yuzu or using its zest can have a subtle but real effect on your mental state. Digestive health is another win. Yuzu stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. That can reduce bloating and improve nutrient absorption. If your digestion feels sluggish, adding a bit of yuzu juice to meals can make a noticeable difference. Now let's touch on weight management. Yuzu is low in calories but high in flavor, which makes it perfect for enhancing meals without adding excess sugars or fats. Plus, its compounds may help regulate metabolism and fat accumulation. Again, not a shortcut, but a smart addition if you're trying to stay lean. There's also potential antimicrobial benefits. Yuzu has shown activity against certain bacteria, which can support overall immune defense and even oral health if used properly. And don't overlook hydration. Adding yuzu to water not only improves taste but encourages you to drink more fluids, which is essential for everything: skin, digestion, energy, and detoxification. Now here's a quick bonus most people miss. Yuzu may support brain health. Some early research suggests its compounds can help protect against cognitive decline by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Plus, that calming aroma we mentioned earlier can help improve focus and reduce mental fatigue. So you're getting both physical and mental benefits in one fruit. Simple ways to use yuzu: add the juice to water or tea, use the zest in cooking, mix it into dressings, or even drizzle it over grilled foods. A little goes a long way because the flavor is strong, slightly floral, and more complex than lemon. Bottom line, yuzu isn't just another citrus fruit. It's a high-impact, low-effort upgrade to your daily routine that supports immunity, skin, heart health, digestion, and even your mood. If you're not already using it, this is one of those small changes that can stack up into real benefits over time.